This is a 2011 Toyota Tacoma, and we're going to be changing the motor oil and filter.
Come on, I saw ya.
Okay, so under the vehicle, you see the oil pan there. That's a 14 millimeter, and we're going to go ahead and loosen the drain plug. Okay, so we just need to break the bolt loose, and we'll try to take it off by hand the rest of the way. Alright, we got the drain plug out, and we'll just let the oil drain till it's empty. And now we're gonna go ahead and take the oil filter off and replace it, and that's located on the top of the engine near the front on the driver's side. So we're gonna get our oil filter pliers and go ahead and try to loosen that, break it loose. Sometimes they're a little tight. Looks like it's moving. We're gonna go ahead and get the new oil filter out and get it ready to put on. Take the plastic off. I make sure the gasket's the same, and I want to put some of the old oil on the new filter, so that I do that at the same time. And you get a little oil on the new rubber gasket so it doesn't seize up on you once you tighten it up. New oil filter has been put on, and we're going to go back to the bottom and put the drain plug back into the oil pan. So we're tightening up the drain plug, and we just got it started by hand as far as we can tighten it, and we'll go ahead and get a socket and tighten it up. So now we're gonna take the oil filler cap off and get a funnel to go ahead and put oil back in. Okay, we're using SAE 5W30, and we got this at O'Reilly Auto Parts. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put in 5.5 quarts of oil into this V6. Alright, now we've got the oil in, we just got to put the cap back on and tighten it up. And that should do it. You're all set. Oil change, that easy. Now you could do your own oil change and save a lot of money.